Hey guys, welcome in for a quick and easy shading hack for the iPad. So I've got my flower drawn and I've just very simply color filled with two colors, like a dusty plum and a gold for the stamens. Now, instead of going in with my pencil or my pen and shading the inner part of this flower, all I have to do is come over here to this little ribbon. We're going to select an area in the middle where I want my darker shading to be. We're going to hit feather and we're going to increase that amount a bit. Then we're going to come up here to the magic wand, tap on curves. You'll get this little box again. When you set your pen here, you'll move the curve, the arc, and we'll bring it down to right about there, and voila, magically shaded.